Tteokbokki, or Korean stir-fried rice cakes, are one of the most beloved foods in Korea. It is made with chewy rice cakes as well as sweet and spicy red pepper paste. There is a company which has developed special tteokbokki with a unique taste. It smells like tomato. We explore HYEYUM, which has introduced non-spicy tomato tteokbokki that has captivated the tastes of a lot of consumers. Tteokbokki is a well-known spicy stir-fried rice cake dish, and it's one of Korea's most beloved dishes. However, some people suffer from the hot and spicy flavor of tteokbokki. So today, we take a look at a company that has developed a tteokbokki that can cater to all people's tastes. It's less spicy and it's more delicious. Follow me to find out more. HYEYUM is located in Suwon Special Metropolitan City. The company has developed a tteokbokki meal kit with a tomato seasoning instead of spicy red pepper powder or red pepper paste. As it is free from artificial additives, it has gained recognition as a reliable product. Hi, is this HYEYUM?
네, 안녕하세요. 네, 만나서 반갑습니다.
네. Nice to meet you.
네.
So tteokbokki is usually made with red pepper powder or red pepper paste, but I heard that your company has developed tteokbokki using tomatoes. Could you first give us a brief introduction to the company?
네, 저희 해움은 매운맛제로 한식을 연구하는 기업입니다. 저희는 최근 트렌드가 건강을 추구하는 트렌드가 많이 있다 보니까 저희 기업에서는 건강을 추구하시는 분들을 위해서 건강에 좋은 음식을 연구하고 있고요. 그 중에서도 저희 대표 제품인 또떡 같은 경우는 매운맛이 전혀 없는 떡볶이로 개발을 했고요. 그래서 저희 기업은 항상 건강하고 몸에 좋은 음식을 추구하기 위해서 발전하고 혁신적인 기업이 되도록 노력을 하고 있습니다.
Totteok is the main product of the company and it is made with tomatoes and natural ingredients. It is a healthy food which has low salinity and sugar levels. The unique recipe has gained recognition in the field and the firm has obtained patents. So the package has this really charming and cute design and it's got rice cakes and seasoning. Could you show us what's inside?
네. 저희 또떡 제품은 밀키트 형태로 지금 판매를 하고 있고요. 저희 제품 안에 보시면 그리고 저희가 이제 저희 캐릭터, 저희가 자체 개발한 캐릭터가 있는데 캐릭터 스티커가 하나씩 들어 있습니다. 그리고 안에 볶음 참깨 들어 있고요. 그리고 대파 들어 있고 그리고 이제 소스.
That is super simple, amazing. So what is the secret behind the seasoning and sauce? It usually has spicy gochujang or red pepper paste in it.
토마토의 주요 성분 중에 하나가 라이코펜인데 라이코펜 같은 경우는 가열했을 때 체내 흡수율이 올라가는 특징이 있거든요. 그래서 저희 또떡 같은 경우는 이제 가열해서 조리해서 먹다 보니까 라이코펜 흡수율을 더 높일 수 있는 장점이 있습니다.
It is simple to cook the tteokbokki meal kit. When putting the sauce and rice cakes into the pot and boiling over a high heat, the cooking process is completed. People can add eggs or bulgogi, a Korean grilled beef, depending on their preferences. Wow, that was so quick, and it also looks just like regular tteokbokki. Are you sure that's not spicy at all?
네, 맞아요.
Wow, so can I try it?
네, 한번 드셔보세요.
Okay. Wow, it just looks the same as regular street tteokbokki. You can smell the tomato. Wow. It's not spicy. Not even a little bit for the kids. It's a little bit sweet and sour, which is a bit unusual for tteokbokki. But it's delicious, a little bit like pasta. I love it. So what do you think is the competitive power and strength of your product compared to other tteokbokki?
네, 저희 해욤은 지금 자체 채널로 네이버 블로그, 그리고 인스타그램, 그리고 유튜브 채널을 통해서 저희 또떡을 활용한 다양한 레시피를 공유하고 있습니다.
The company has focused efforts into improving the distribution methods and developing new products. As the summer is coming, it has developed Kool Tobi, which is low-calorie konjac spicy noodles, and it will be released to the market soon. HYEYUM aims to develop creative ideas that can provide better food to consumers. What do you think is the best thing about running a small to medium-sized business in Suwon's special metropolitan city?
네, 수원에서 기업을 운영하면서 장점을 꼽자면요. 저희 같은 이런 중소기업들은 해외에 저희 제품을 알리기가 쉽지가 않은데요. 이번 일을 계기로 저희 제품도 해외에 많이 알려질 수 있는 방법이라고 생각을 해서요. 저희 중소기업들한테 많은 도움이 된다고 생각합니다.
Oh, it sounds very useful. So we've taken a real deep look at HYEYUM. You're developing these tteokbokki meal kits that everyone can enjoy. What are your goals for the future?
한식을 해외에도 다양하게 알리고 싶은 생각이 있습니다. 해외에서도 한식이 더 세계화되어서 우리 한식을 세계에 알리는 그런 기업이 되고 싶습니다.
Wow, good luck with that big aim for the future. So we've taken a deep look at HYEYUM, who have built a healthy food culture through their healthy dishes that everybody can enjoy. And we hope they can garner more attention and spotlight by developing and promoting more innovative products. HYEYUM has developed unique tteokbokki products by continuously promoting research and development. And we hope it can achieve remarkable growth in the near future.